Alright, what's up guys? Next video on this camper restoration is going to be all the interior work. So I got the new mattress I'm going to put in, I got the faucet ready to go back in, and then we're going to be completely reupholstering all the dinette cushions here. And then also I'm going to be resurfacing this tabletop here too. So almost the whole interior is going to be completely done by the end of this video. So stay tuned guys, it's going to be a good one. Alright Goomba, bring it on in here. It's in a bag or something here. Alright guys, I got the mattress put in and it fits pretty damn good. It definitely hangs over a couple inches, but it still fits plenty good enough, and the pop top bars can still close even though it kind of like jams into it a little bit, but that'll be fine, it'll still work. There we go, got the sink put in all nice and flush. Got it looking pretty good. And I purposely put it to the right, so that way in case in the future if I ever want to put like an electric pump or like a different faucet or a soap thing or something like that, I have room for that. And then this can kind of move back and forth. Oh yeah, dude, well, good to go. So I got a coat of white countertop paint put on this table. Now I got a coat of this blue, this turquoise trim that I'm doing. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next step, which is gonna be to redo these seat cushions. So I went and got the foam already from a local company. Then I had the fabric custom made by an American made company. Now I'm gonna basically go ahead and measure out all the seat cushions, go ahead and get the foam cut, and then start sewing all the fabric to redo these seat cushions. Alright guys, so the process to make these cushions is actually kind of intense, and so I'm not going to really film everything and try to teach people how to do it. There's a really good YouTube video that I'm following step by step by Sailrite, the company called Sailrite, that makes nice YouTube videos on how to do it, and they have a little fabric calculator. You can punch in your dimensions for how big you want the cushion, and it'll tell you exactly how much fabric you need and exactly how to make it. And it's basically just a big rectangle piece with a couple notches taken out of it, and then you just sew a few lines, sew the zippers in. It's really not that big of a deal. But here's how it turns out when it's done. It just turns out to be a nice square cushion, you know, and then it's got the backside, has a zipper so you can open it up, take off the cover and wash the cover and whatnot. Hey. Okay, let her rip. Alright, now I'm done sewing this thing. I got everything done. I just gotta flip it around and get the foam stuffed into it. And this is the moment of truth right here to see if the damn foam fits. Oh yeah, my corner's looking better and better each time. And that's how it usually goes. You guys get practice the more you do stuff, and then if you got 4 cushions to make, the 3rd and 4th cushion are gonna be the best ones by far. All right, thanks, dude. Oh, let's see. We're gonna go like this. Damn, and that's it, guys. There you go. Just got to get the foam all kind of situated in there. Damn, and she's good to go. Check that out. Came out real nice. All nice, good to go. Zipper. All right, dude, pass me up them cushions. Perfect. Alright guys, well I'm going to wrap it up for this video. I got everything I wanted to get done. I got the all new seat cushions, I got the new mattress, I got this dinette area looking real good. And this thing's ready to go, man. I think we're ready to go camping in it. Stay tuned, the next video is going to be the camper brackets. I got my buddy Mitch coming over who's a professional welder, and we're going to weld up some custom brackets for the camper so that we can get it mounted onto the frame of the truck nice and secure. And it'll be good to go after that. So then after that we'll be taking it out camping. This thing will be ready to go. So stay tuned guys, go ahead and like and subscribe. I love all the comments. Comment down below any ideas you guys have for things I should add or subtract from here. And appreciate it, man. Have a good one, guys.